Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious collard greens in a crock pot. First, let's get our ingredients ready. You'll need about 2 pounds of fresh collard greens. Make sure to wash them very well. Then, carefully remove the tough stems and chop the leaves into manageable 1-inch to 2-inch pieces. Don't forget your smoked meat, like ham hocks or smoked turkey, about 1 pound, to add that rich, savory flavor. Next, we'll build a flavorful base for our greens. In a skillet, sauté 1 diced onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic until fragrant. This step really enhances the overall taste. Then, pour in 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar and 2 cups of chicken broth. Finally, season this mixture with 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for a little kick. Now it's time to assemble everything in your slow cooker. Carefully place all of your chopped collard greens and the prepared smoked meat into the pot. Then, pour the delicious sautéed onion, garlic, and seasoned broth mixture evenly over the greens. Set your slow cooker to cook on low for 6 to 8 hours, or if you're in a bit more of a hurry, you can cook it on high for 3 to 4 hours. Once your collard greens are tender and flavorful, it's time to serve them up. Give them a good stir before dishing them out to ensure all those wonderful flavors are evenly distributed. Always taste and adjust the seasonings as needed. You might want a little more salt or pepper. These delicious, slow-cooked collard greens make a fantastic, hearty side dish for any meal. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.